थोड़ा cumbersome है यार. There is a little bit of sheen, little bit of that water content, and I'm going to now see if my coverage has bleeded at all. I've been trying to rub it off. You end up losing your hair while you're doing a root touch-up. Oh God. Now this is dripping from my forehead. इसको use करने में, I get palpitations. This is not a good feeling. Stay away. Adulthood क्या ही है? 40% responsibilities or 60% visible grays. Stop before you book another expensive salon appointment just because one grey hair looked at you funny. Let me ruin my hair first. Aging gracefully? अरे consumerism ने मना कर दिया. Hi besties, welcome to Har Zindagi Tried and Tested, a show where I become your unpaid guinea pig so that आप हजारों प्रोडक्ट्स के चक्कर में अपने लाखों ना गवा दो. क्योंकि बात तो ये है that I don't trust these influencers who never have a bad hair day. या worse, only have visible grays when a PR package arrives at their door. आज बात करते हैं real raw root touch-up. I have 4 products that I'm going to test out right here, right now, and I'm going to give a verdict on whether ये अच्छा product है worth your money या सिर्फ Instagram scam. Basically, all of these products promise instant coverage, no commitment, no judgment, and no color क्यों नहीं करा लेती conversation. Basically, it's therapy but for your parting. Let's start with this very popular one. This is L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch Instant Root Concealer Spray. I'm using dark brown and it says it is Instant Root Concealer Spray. This is temporary gray coverage and it lasts till it's shampooed out. This comes in this very nice can packaging. Easily available on Amazon, on Blinkit, Swiggy. Cap opens like this और ये इसमें application के लिए nozzle बनाया है. Now the instructions say that you have to shake this before I use it and I have to keep the product upright. ऐसे can को upright करना है, ऐसे टेढ़ा नहीं करना है because इसके अंदर liquid product है जो कि एक typical can under pressure है और वो बाहर आएगा. I have to hold the can approximately 13 centimeters from my hair and I will spray with a light stream. Don't overspray, it says. A small amount is enough. Allow it to dry for up to 1 minute before touching your hair. So, lots of instructions. Let's go for it. Shake it well before use. I'm going to try this area. देखो coverage है, but if you see closely, if you see over here, it's also stained my scalp in a very unnatural kind of way. It's almost like a bad hair dye. So what I can try doing is before it completely dries out, if I use a tissue and try and wipe my scalp off, it comes off the scalp and it stays on the roots of my hair. Using this bottle was a bit challenging because you have to reach different parts of your hair, different parts of your head, and you have to keep it upright and then you have to spray, and you also know that you don't want to spray it too much. Also, there's a little bit of a sting on the scalp that I feel with it. There's a very slight sting. Maybe it's because it's cold. यहाँ पे spray करके देखते हैं कि इस पे color or you know what is it that you will feel on your scalp. And I was also warned that if you don't spray it properly with the right angle, you may end up getting some splashes of color on your face and your clothes. So you've got to be careful. तो थोड़ा cumbersome है यार. I would say it's natural. You don't want it to look very, you know, dye-like. So I think a natural color payoff is what you're actually going for. Now, interestingly, it's coming off when I wipe it. I haven't given it a minute to dry, but it's coming off when I wipe it, and I don't want that to happen when I'm out with my head open to all kinds of humidity, sweat and rain. I don't want black color dripping on my face. So this is what I'm going to test right now. I have a spray of water and I'm going to put it on my hair to see how it reacts to humidity, how it reacts to just water content, because what the brand promises is that it stays, this color will stay on your roots unless you shampoo your hair. So let's give it a quick pani pariksha. Okay, here it is. Firstly, I want to see if color comes dripping off. No, the water is clear of color, so it's not dripping. So it does leave the skin, which means the scalp is off color, but my roots still hold on to the color of this spray, which is a good thing. I want to do another test of this, which I'll do with all of these products, is that when I touch this hair, जब कोई मुझे मेरे बाल को सहलाने लगे या मुझे आशीर्वाद देने लगे, I don't want their hands to be full of black. So let's just test that. This is where I sprayed. I'm going to rub my hand over here. It doesn't feel any different, so that's a good thing. The hair doesn't, it just feels like the same thing that you feel if you put hairspray. But look at this. Some color does rub off the hand. Let me also give you a few bit of information about this can, which suffices up to 25 uses. I don't know whether it's 25 sprays or it's whether 25 times you sort of cover your roots. But what I've generally, the feedback that I've got for this products is that ये बहुत ज़्यादा last नहीं करता. On Amazon, you're getting it for 250 rupees. You're getting 75 ml, which says it will last you up to 25 uses. This is L'Oreal, which is a trusted sort of brand. It says it's easy application. I don't think so. You need a lot of precision. You need to see where, you know, your gray spots are. It felt a little stingy. So these are the drawbacks. But yes, what I can say are the positives is that it is a quick fix. The color payoff is very natural and it'll probably not get washed off if you're caught in the rain with this product. So this was L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. I've used this a lot for my emergency root touch-ups, and considering the pros and the cons, Har Zindagi tried and tested will give this product a good, generous 3 out of 5 stars. Alright, product number 2, and this one is Renee's Cover Up Hair Powder. This is invisible, flawless finish, instant coverage, long lasting. ये इसके promise है. Now this is completely different from the spray that we just saw. Let's open the packaging. Comes in this cute little cardboard box. Remember to check everything is taped before you use it. Open this up. And oh, isn't this so cute? But wait up. This is the powder. This is such a thoughtful addition. There is a small mirror and the applicator rests beneath this little box. I love the planning, the thoughtfulness that has gone in the product that they have made. आपको नहीं ज़रूरत है कि एक और आप, you know, on the go, you just put it on in your bag. यहाँ पे आपका मिरर है, यहाँ पे आपका प्रोडक्ट और ये आपका एप्लीकेटर राइट हियर. इसमें 2 कलर्स आपको मिलते हैं. यू टेक ब्लैक इफ यू हैव ऑल ब्लैक हेयर एंड डार्क ब्राउन और अ ब्राउनिश टोन इफ यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ color spectrum for your hair. Alright, so let's find a gray spot. Not very difficult to find. In my hair, it's right here. अब हमने इसमें क्या किया? ये एप्लीकेटर को dab, dab, dab. Look at the color. I can also show you a color payoff at the back of my hand. You see the color? The back of my hand. These are the problem area. देखो ये gray जो roots हैं. And now I have the applicator right here, and I'm going to start putting it with a single stroke. Do you see? This is easy. It's so easy, and see this area is all now darker, and it's not like, you know, light and shining from beneath the length of your hair. Also, what I love about this product is that if you have, you know, hair thinning, or if you have any patches where your scalp shines through, I also love to use this product a little bit on the scalp just to give it a little bit of depth. So the, you know, especially when you have like sweaty scalps, it looks so bad and unhygienic, but you can just put a little bit of product here. So this is a one-pot solution really for all your emergency root touch-ups. I love the fact that, you know, there is no spillage. Actually, वो जो spray है उसको use करने में, you know, I get palpitations because I don't want the color staining my face or my clothes, because you're mostly using it when you're absolutely ready to step out and then you know, you think about your root touch-ups. But इसमें ऐसा कोई problem नहीं है. There is no spillage. It is, you know, like calmer. You can do it even when you're driving, you're reaching to the event or the place that you have to go to, and you can just, put it in your bag and do it on the go. Now we're going to test it out for the things that we tested out the other product. Sabse pehle, let's see if it transfers, right? So I had used it here. I'm going to brush my hair. Just look at this. Do you see it? And look at this, जहाँ हमने patch test किया था, I've been trying to rub it off. It doesn't come off as easy as the spray was coming off. So it will stick, it will hold to where it has to hold and doesn't transfer much to your hair. We're also going to do the water test. So let's try that, Pani Parikshan. If you're caught in the rain with these products, we're going to see the drip test. Do you see the water dripping from my forehead? Ideally should not carry any residue, and it doesn't. And I'm going to now see if my coverage has bleeded at all. It hasn't really bleeded. Roots पे है, but yes, scalp से I think it comes off a bit. ठीक है, अब जैसे यहाँ पे इस पैच पे देखो, इसको मैंने scalp में भी लगाया, यहाँ पे क्लियरली दिख रहा होगा आपको. अब मैंने यहाँ पे करूँगी मैं ये वाटर टेस्ट जो मैं बोल रही थी, और forehead तक में पानी आएगा तब देखना. हाँ, ये देखो पानी परीक्षण. Now this is dripping from my forehead. You see this? Yeah, but it does not carry product. मतलब इसमें पानी इसमें से trickle करके भी जा रहा है, तो इसमें से वो जो pigment है वो नहीं आ रहा है. So you're not going to be embarrassed because black water is running down your nose. That's not going to happen. And now let's see how much of the color stays when you're going to wipe it off. Pretty decent. In this packaging, you're getting about 4 grams of product, and this is priced at 750 rupees. You're paying for the ease of use, you're paying for how thoughtfully this product has been designed. You're also paying for, it not really giving an itch to your scalp or, weighing down your hair. I think this is worth the money. So, Har Zindagi tried and tested ranking for this is a good 4 out of 5 stars. The only con that I can think of this product, and because I've been using it after several uses or day after day use, में आपको थोड़ा सा itchiness and थोड़ा सा build up, it'll leave, traces of pigment underneath your nails. वो सब हो सकता है, but that is not what the product is telling you to do. It's asking you, and you must, because of the contents that these kind of products have, जो कि mica, silica, zinc, ये सब ingredients होते हैं, तो the recommendation is that you wash your hair at the end of the day every day and don't leave it for like an overnight thing. So recommendation nahi hai, lekin if you do end up using this day on day, there will be a build up. I don't know whether to call it a con or not, but this is what it is. Alright, 2 products down, and now this is the third product jo mere paas hai. This is Orgate's quick gray hair touch-up. This product is enriched with vitamin E, linoleic acid, which is called vitamin F, almond oil and olive oil and avocado oil and all of that. So, ये सिर्फ pigment नहीं है. This is not just your crisis में काम आने वाला product, but it's also giving a little bit of nutrition to the roots, which is great. Oh, nice. Oh-ho! This is made in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Now let's get to using it. This wand is a typical mascara wand. It has the pigment. Let me test it here. This is what the pigment is. It's dark black. ये थोड़ा wet pigment है, तो इसमें transferring का बहुत ही easy transferring possibility hai. When we apply it on the hair, we'll have to let it dry. Now the thing with this wand application, this mascara wand application is that you can go very precise. तो especially जो baby hair या ये जो आपके forehead के side में जो hair होते हैं जहाँ पे you don't want to spray because the chances of it spreading all over your forehead on your makeup वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Also the application with the puff can be a little tricky. वहाँ के लिए I believe that this wand application, this brush application would be very, very precise. So I'm going to choose that section of hair. If you see, यहाँ पे आप देखो, और अब इनके ऊपर हम ये wand application करेंगे. So without it touching the skin, I can target just the roots of my hair. and because there is a little bit of sheen, little bit of that water content, तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. And it's covering the grays of my hair in a very nice way, like it. You have to give it a little time to dry, and obviously, like I said, this is for very targeted areas. जो आपके baby hair या ऐसे specific portions हैं, उनको you can't look at doing the whole head with this. 4.5 ml ये आपको 300 रुपए का पड़ रहा है. And if you're only looking at very precise coverage, ये आपको अच्छा last करेगा. It says it has no silicone, no paraben, no sulfate and no mineral oil. The formulation is from the US. This is animal test free. It's vegan. So it has many good qualities that I would really recommend. लेकिन अभी टेस्ट बाकी है. We've given it some time to dry. We want to see कि ये ट्रांसफर कितना होता है. So this was the patch that I used this for. Let me just rub my fingers in this. एक तो I want to see and feel how my hair feel. देखो जहाँ पे ये ड्राई है वहाँ पे तो ट्रांसफर ना के बराबर हुआ है, लेकिन जहाँ पे ये वेट था, where I just used it, it's a good transfer. So I think giving it time to dry is crucial, and that sort of defeats the purpose of an emergency touch-up when you're running out of time, when you want to just do something on the go. This is sort of coming in the way of that. If you have to take out one section, usko karoge, phir let it dry, then take out another section. So it's not fitting that criteria. But yes, if this product is used in combination with another product, let's say like the Rene root touch-up, where you do the major sections of your root touch-up with this, something like this, and only the baby hair or the frontal hair you do with this one, then it will work very well. So on its own, maybe not that great. I would give it 2.5. 2.5, and I'll give it an extra 0.5 because of the the nourishing properties that it has, the olive oil, the almond oil and the avocado oil. So all in all, 3 points for this as well. All right, और fourth product है एक international entrant. जी हाँ, ये है एक Chinese product जिसका नाम है Jinbei Hair Dressing Wand. It says it is simple and it's convenient. It's an easy complement. इसमें जिंजीबर है, glycerin है, ginseng है, aloe vera है. At least that's what it claims. I can't read anything at the back because it's all in Chinese. This I wanted to include because this is another completely different kind of product in the same genre. The application is completely different. The usage is completely different. Look at this. और अब इसको आप इस तरीके से खोलेंगे. So what you see here, ये एक actually comb के आकार का, एक कंघी के आकार का इन्होंने इसमें ये एक boundary दी है, और इसके अंदर you have to roll this. And when you roll this, out comes the pigment, the color, which is like almost like a soap bar या wax की तरह ये बाहर आता है. Basically, the idea is that you run it through your hair, so it's also doing the length of your hair. और ये हर बाल को, मतलब it doesn't clump your hair together, क्योंकि ये एक comb action भी आपको साथ ही साथ दे रहा है. So this is new, innovative kind of way to do this. Not an offensive smell at all. Let's look at the colors and the pigments. Almost gives the feeling of a shoe polish for your hair. This is what the pigment looks like. It's a decent color payoff, I would say. Let's not touch it for a minute and see the transfer. And in the meantime, we can also test it on a patch of grey in my hair. Let's figure out कहाँ करें. तो इस पैच पे मैं करती हूँ. ठीक है, ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट है. इसको मैंने ऐसे करना है. दिख रहा है कलर? Alright, so the application was so, but sadly, ये देखो, you don't want an applicator that basically pulls at your hair and you end up losing your hair while you're doing a root touch-up. Now I'm going to see the transfer, and I'm going to see कि ये how does the hair really feel after putting the pigment. This patch has been sitting on my hand for a while now and it should have set ideally. देखते हैं कितना transfer होता है या नहीं. Oh my god, this is like a proper cream, proper polish consistency, and it did not dry, did not set. It's completely transferred on the other finger. I'm actually scared now. If somebody was to touch the top of my head, unke haath kaale ho jayenge. Alright, this is what my hand looks like first, and I'm going to touch top of my head where I've applied this color. Oh God, my hair feel clunky. Oh God, this is not a good feeling. It feels very very weighed down. अगर कुछ भी bounce आपको अपने बालों में चाहिए था, that's gone. That's completely gone. So this product is something that I really dislike. It weighs down your hair. It feels very waxy. सोचो अब इस सब के बाद when I start sweating, when my hair becomes damp and frizzy, it's going to be a nightmare. I would give it a 0.5 and a strict no wali recommendation. Stay away. Alright guys, I think we have a clear winner. मेरे लिए तो Rene Cover Up is a standout amongst the competition. Ease of use है, thoughtful packaging, thoughtful addition of that mirror, the applicator. Just put it in your bag and then you don't have to worry about any grey hair just cropping up out of schedule. If you think differently, leave a comment. If you want me to try any other product in this genre, leave me a comment. If you want me to try any other products from any other genre, leave me a comment. Basically, comment छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा दोस्तों. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हर जिंदगी को सब्सक्राइब करो, नोटिफिकेशन आइकॉन को दबाओ so that next time when I come to meet you, this is Her Zindagi, tried and tested, and I'm going to see you next week.